The first book of Psalms, chapter 11, verses 1 to 7. The first book of Psalms, chapter 12, verses 1 to 8. The first book of Psalms, chapter 13, verses 1 to 6. The first book of Psalms, chapter 14, verses 1 to 7. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 15, verses 1 to 5, for the chief musician. By David. 1. In the Lord I take refuge. How can you say to my soul, flee as a bird to your mountain? 2. For behold, the wicked bend their bows. They set their arrows on the strings, that they may shoot in darkness at the upright in heart. 3. If the foundations are destroyed, what can the righteous do? 4. The Lord is in his holy temple. The Lord is on his throne in heaven. His eyes observe. His eyes examine the children of men. 5. The Lord examines the righteous, but his soul hates the wicked and him who loves violence. 6. On the wicked he will rain blazing coals. Fire, sulfur, and scorching wind shall be the portion of their cup. 7. For the Lord is righteous. He loves righteousness. The upright shall see his face. The first book of Psalms, chapter 12, verses 1 to 8. For the chief musician, upon an 8-stringed lyre, a psalm of David. 1. Help, Lord, for the godly man ceases. For the faithful fail from among the children of men. 2. Everyone lies to his neighbor. They speak with flattering lips and with a double heart. The third of may the Lord cut off all flattering lips, and the tongue that boasts. 4. Who have said, with our tongue we will prevail. Our lips are our own. Who is Lord over us? 5. Because of the oppression of the weak, and because of the groaning of the needy, I will now arise, says the Lord. I will set him in safety from those who malign him. 6. The Lord's words are flawless words, as silver refined in a clay furnace, purified 7 times. 7. You will keep them, Lord. You will preserve them from this generation forever. 8. The wicked walk on every side, when what is vile is exalted among the sons of men. The first book of Psalms, chapter 13, verses 1 to 6, for the chief musician. A psalm by David. 1. How long, Lord, will you forget me forever? How long will you hide your face from me? 2. How long shall I take counsel in my soul, having sorrow in my heart every day? How long shall my enemy triumph over me? 3. Behold, and answer me, Lord, my God. Give light to my eyes, lest I sleep in death. 4. Lest my enemy say, I have prevailed against him, lest my adversaries rejoice when I fall. 5. But I trust in your loving kindness. My heart rejoices in your salvation. 6. I will sing to the Lord, because he has been good to me. The first book of Psalms, chapter 14, verses 1 to 7, for the chief musician. By David. 1. The fool has said in his heart, there is no God. They are corrupt. They have done abominable deeds. There is no one who does good. 2. The Lord looked down from heaven on the children of men, to see if there were any who understood, who sought after God. 3. They have all gone aside. They have together become corrupt. There is no one who does good, no, not one. 4. Have all the workers of iniquity no knowledge, who eat up my people as they eat bread, and don't call on the Lord? 5. There they were in great fear, for God is in the generation of the righteous. 6. You frustrate the plan of the poor, because the Lord is his refuge. 7. Oh, that the salvation of Israel would come out of Zion. When the Lord restores the fortunes of his people, then Jacob shall rejoice, and Israel shall be glad. The first book of Psalms, chapter 15, verses 1 to 5, a psalm by David. 1. Lord, who shall dwell in your sanctuary? Who shall live on your holy hill? 2. He who walks blamelessly and does what is right and speaks truth in his heart. 3. Who doesn't slander with his tongue, nor does evil to his friend, nor casts slurs against his fellow man. For in whose eyes a vile man is despised, but who honors those who fear the Lord? He who keeps an oath even when it hurts, and doesn't change. 5. He who doesn't lend out his money for usury, nor take a bribe against the innocent. He who does these things shall never be shaken. Thank you so much for joining me, watching and learning about the first book of Psalms, chapter 11, verses 1 to 7, the first book of Psalms, chapter 12, verses 1 to 8, the first book of Psalms, chapter 13, verses 1 to 6, the first book of Psalms, chapter 14, verses 1 to 7, and the first book of Psalms, chapter 15, verses 1 to 5. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.